Yeah.
Bro, get in the car or something, man. The fucking fuse is not.
I gotta see it. I gotta see it though. This is crazy. Wow.
Yeah, this is gonna explode, man. There's gas in the fucking tank, bro.
Yeah, it's diesel. It's gonna blow up.
Yo, this is gonna blow, bro.
Wow. Wow, it's Saturday morning, and that's my truck on fire, fucking ready to blow up. Can you believe this crazy shit? That's my truck. Fuck. Fuck. Fucking crazy fucking shit. Wow. That is my work truck. It's gonna blow up.
I don't know. I think Lynn Jackie thing's bro. The fucking thing's burnt.
Lynn Jackie started it.
Like it's on fucking fire, bro. Like the crisp. I'm telling everyone right now because there's fucking diesel in there.
That's fucking nuts. Yeah. It's gonna go. Holy fuck. What? I'm here. I know, it's my fucking sexy truck.
And you wanted to use that today?
Yes. Oh, my truck.
I was trying to find the key.
She was a good truck, she was.
Try to get in there, you just couldn't see nothing. And then I'm like, okay, this is not good. There's fire coming out.
It smelled electrical first, so that must have been what it was.
There was something under the hood.
Oh yeah? Oh,
Well,
okay.
that's it, when we were out there.
I tried to put, if there was more people, I was able to get the one fucking hitch off, latch off.
Fuck.
Lucy, you'll have some explaining.
How long does a truck burn for? Like,
Well, it hasn't even got the fuel yet, so.
I think that just fucking melted snow.
oh my god.
If that doesn't blow up, I'll be surprised.
Holy fuck.
All the gas. Well, you see all the gas on fire on the ground.
Anyone got a piss?
There's a cop. You might want to watch out, Dad. Not that you can do much, but.
Alright, this truck is on fire.
Send the firefighters over now.
The hood popped open. It's on the trailer.
Oh shit,
It's resting on the trailer. Oh.
and there's product on it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, go in there. Check it out.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Can I have you guys all just get back though? Like, possibly over this way because the fumes and everything are not going to be good for you, so stand over this way, okay?
Yep.
Back up.
I guess we should. Is there anybody else left in that building?
How often do you get this, right?
Oh my god, all the way to the trailer.
The trailer's going now, boys, and that's connected to the building inside, eh?
Buddy.
Oh!
Guys, man, don't be standing right there. It's blowing right in, you guys.
Watch the wheels blow up.
Okay. Come on, quick.
is going fast, eh?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Call him.
That'll be long distance for me.
Here, call him with my phone.
I don't know his number. You got it in here?
I don't know, I don't think so.
Fuck!
Here, let me see.
Jesus.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Not yet. Unfucking real.
Yeah. No. Dude, I would have rescued that, I'll tell you right now. That's a small child to me. Oh, my truck. I love that truck.
She was a good girl.
She was a good truck, she was.
That's fucking it. Oh my god, man.
You can see it glowing.
Yeah, I know. Oh, my hands are cold.
And the firefighters are gone.
Where'd they go?
Here comes the smoke. Here it comes. Alright, I'm going home. We have a lot of paperwork to get out there.
That's all we're thinking about, eh? Paperwork.
So JR, you'll be here when we get back? You'll be here when we get back?
He wants to deliver the crop.
Oh my god.